I'm David Scher.
I'm Elizabeth Scher.
This is
Is
an
an
educational
educational
animation.
animation. It's a cartoon.
Educational animation.
Cartoon.
Educational
Educational
animation.
animation.
Educational
Educational
animation.
animation.
It's the news, the newspaper report, and it's due. But you can do it.
Hi, I'm Elle.
I'm Professor D.
We will help you with newspaper reports. Which paper can I use?
You can only use newspapers from the list of valid newspapers.
Can I use the Lion Times?
No, it's not on the list.
Ah!
You can use the New York Times.
Function is a variable, the independent variable, and another variable that depends on it. Each variable has many values. Variables vary. Graphs and tables are a good place to find functions. In one inning, Angel again hit a single, David White hit a double, and Carlos Beltran hit a triple. Name a variable.
Again.
No, variables must have values.
Mets players.
That's right. We just found a variable.
Mets players.
Right. What variable depends on players?
The
Multiple values. What is the single and the double?
hits.
Right. This is the dependent variable. What is the function? Interesting.
David Wright.
No. Why kill the reader?
Many Mets get hit.
Right. Functions reports independent variable Mets players. Dependent variable hits. Why many Mets got hit? Name a variable.
Forecast.
Good. What another variable?
Time.
That's great. What's the independent variable?
Forecast.
Can you tell the time from the forecast?
So, forecast is dependent.
Uh, function report. Independent variable, time dependent variable, forecast. so the reader can prepare for the weather.
Submit your report in a 8.5 by 11-inch envelope. If you use a folder, articles will fall out. You will lose credit.
I have a report for you.
It was due last class.
I was absent,
You should have mailed it.
but I was sick.
Have a doctor's note?
Yes,
Elle was unable to work or study from 9:17 to 9:20 because she was being treated for an infected thorn in her right paw. Please give her extra time for assignments during that period. If you miss the class when the assignment is due, mail it using a postal clip.
when will this line move? We hope you were helped with newspaper reports.
Newspaper report functions.
Professor D, David Scher.
Student L, Elizabeth Scher.
David Scher. David Scher.
Elizabeth Scher. Elizabeth Scher.
The Doctor, David Scher. General voiceovers, David Scher.
Copyright David and Elizabeth Scher, 2010.
Storyboard, David Scher. Animator, David Scher.
Clip art, Microsoft Office.
Art, David Scher. Producer, David Scher.
Inspiration, Elizabeth Scher.